My name is Aaron. I'm working for Macewan University. I'm in charge of the Southeast Asia country. Macewan University is a public university. We're based in Edmonton, and Edmonton is the capital city of Alberta. There's a lot of advantage when you study at Edmonton as well. For example, Edmonton have the lowest tax rate in Canada, only 5%, comparing to Ontario with the 13%. British Columbia would be 12%, but in Edmonton only 5%. So the living expense here is extremely affordable for international students. And secondly, is that we like Alberta, they have the free healthcare policy even for international students as well. For Macewan University, we are quite flexible in terms of the program that we are level of study that we are offering. We have EAL, which means English learning class, foundation program. And we have diploma degree as well for 2 years and bachelor degree for 4 years. At Macewan University, we are quite flexible and we have a lot of scholarship as well. Scholarship will be based on the GPA of the student, just based on the GPA. So starting from 80%, the student can get from 4,000 Canadian dollar to 14,000 Canadian dollar. And that would be just entrance scholarship. During their study, they can turn it into continuing scholarship as well in every year. And then we have a lot of scholarship as well. As long as you have a good GPA, and you don't need to have any scholarship application form, or you need to do any interview. No, we just review it automatically based on your GPA. So let's come to and study at Macewan University. And if you have any inquiry about the school, you can feel free to reach out to Pacific Premier, and they can work with me to support you every step of the way.